Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to cook cabbage and onion pakoras or fritters. These are delicious and you can easily make them for a snack or a starter for your next party in no time. Sneak in some veggies for those fussy eaters. Please watch the video till the end for the health benefits of cabbage and ingredients list. Also please subscribe to our channel Festive Flavors and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive new interesting recipe updates whenever one is posted on the channel. Prepare a recipe from Festive Flavors and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature a name or the name of your channel in upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your family and friends. Now let's get started and look at the ingredients. Cabbage half or 2 cups shredded, onions 1 sliced, capsicum 1 cup sliced, carrots 1/4 cup sliced, chickpea flour or besan 1 cup, you will need lesser, ginger 1 tablespoon chopped. Coriander leaves half cup chopped, green chilies chopped as per taste, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, Carom or Ajwain seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, Garam masala half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, Amchur powder 1/4 teaspoon or you can use lemon juice too. Salt to taste, oil for frying, water is needed. Now let's begin cooking. Slice half head of cabbage if it's a large cabbage. If it is a small cabbage then slice the whole cabbage. We need 2 cups of sliced cabbage. Next, slice the capsicum or bell peppers, whichever colors you have. If you have red and green and yellow, slice all of them, or if you have only green, then slice the green. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add the sliced cabbage, sliced capsicum, sliced onions, green chilies, red chili flakes. Also to this mixture add ginger, Amchur powder, Carom seeds, Cumin seeds, garlic paste, coriander powder, Garam masala powder, turmeric powder and salt. Now mix everything very well, squeezing on the cabbage and onions and capsicum slices so that they release their water. After a few minutes you will get something like this. Now add the sliced carrots and coriander leaves. Mix everything together. Now add the chickpea flour or besan little at a time. Mix again by squeezing on the veggies. Add more besan if the mixture is runny. I have used 3/4 cups besan here. Your hands are your best utensils for mixing. Heat a pan or kadhai with oil for frying. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture in the oil. Let it sit for 2-3 minutes without turning. The heat should be medium. Check to see if the pakoras are golden in color from the bottom. Turn the pakoras or fritters once you see golden color. Turn all the pakoras to cook on the other side. Let them cook for 2 to 5 minutes on this side. If you want, you can turn and cook both sides. Crispy and crunchy pakoras are ready to be taken out from the oil. The pakoras become crunchier as they sit on the plate. Make more batches of pakoras from the remaining mixture. Please hit the like button if you like the recipe. Also share it with your friends and family. Cabbage and onion pakoras are ready to be served for your snacks or parties. Serve them with your favorite sauces, dips and chutneys. Now let's look at the health benefits of cabbage. Cabbage is an amazing vegetable. Cabbage has antioxidants which come from vitamin C and quercetin and apigenin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, hence reduces inflammation, irritation, allergies, joint pain and fever. The glucosinolates in cabbage have anti-cancer properties. It scavenges free radicals which contribute to buildup of cancerous cells. It is good for digestive tract as it helps in bowel movements. It improves heart health by reducing blood pressure and preventing platelet buildup. It is great for the skin as it has high quantities of vitamin C. It prevents cataract of the eyes. It has potassium, calcium and magnesium and hence good for bones, ligaments and muscles. The list of ingredients is also in the description box below. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates whenever a new recipe is posted on our channel. Next time we will come with a new recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.